Today we're reviewing my fidget toys. Actually, all 4 of them. So the first one is probably my Fluffy. It is a big fluffy ball. So like it has this like handle. Let's put it on your hand and just go boing boing. So yeah, that's the fuzzy ball. So yeah, boing 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 boing. And the next one is gonna be my tiny Slinky. So this is about really tiny. It's for Slinky. Whee! It's just like a nice Slinky. Okay, next is this. It's like this weird thing that if you smush its eyes, it like stays. So it could just go, I'm a beautiful girl walking down the street. And then the final is my squishy Minecraft spider. Wait. Here comes Steve's car. Just gonna park onto there. Move. And now I've started this thing that after every video I have to try to land a bottle flip. Okay, can see if I landed. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video of fidget toys. And please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye. Can you say bye, Big Bear? Bye. Bye.